2025 na. VA ka na ba? Hindi pa? Bakit? Nag-overthink ka sa niche mo? Nakakainis! Hey guys, it's John, the founder of Barangay VA Community and University, and welcome to my latest piece called Nakakainis, where I will prove to you that you can be an effective virtual assistant as early as now. And for today's episode, let's talk about the 10th one, which is lead generation VA. Very popular, something that if you don't have any experience yet, you can learn. It's a skill that you can learn on your own at the same time. But before we even start, if you haven't gone through our Notion page yet, what are you waiting for? Go to the description box, click that link, save that link, wherein you will find the links of the previous episodes of this series, and also you will find the dates or the schedule of the future episodes, and then you will find also the links of the free resources that you can maximize for your own self. So what are you in for? Click that link, save that link. I'm giving you time now. Alright, going back, lead generation VA. Let's talk about this. What is the description or the job description of a lead generation VA? Your role is to find and qualify prospects for businesses through research, outreach, and follow-ups. So ikaw yung you scrape all the leads online in every platform. That is your role. The usual day-to-day task here is to research leads based on target criteria, sending cold emails or DMs, inputting and updating CRM tools, contact scraping using lead generation tools, qualifying prospects based on set filters. So these are the tasks. So lead generation VAs are not appointment setters. Iba pa yon. No, you don't reach out. You just scrape leads. But if you want to be an appointment setter, then that's when you do cold emails, cold calls, and book appointments for the team. But usually now, it's a combination. I don't know why. But ideally, with lead generation VAs, you just scrape leads for the company. That's it. What are the tools you use? Apollo.io, LinkedIn, Sales Navigator, Hunter.io, Google Worksheets, Google HubSpot, and other CRM tools such as Go High Level, those stuff, okay? What are the experience needed? So sales, marketing, outreach background is very important. Strong English and search skills, comfortable with cold messaging, kasi sometimes nga lead generation people can be the appointment setter at the same time. They will do cold emails, they will do cold callers. So you have to be ready for that. So English, written English and verbal English is also important here. What were the roles of the lead generation based appointment setters before? They were sales reps, appointment setters, real estate assistants, researchers, B2B telemarketers, so BPO team, you guys have been here, support team, you guys have been here as well. What are the ideal hobbies? If your hobbies are link and networking, digital marketing, database building, then this is for you. And what's good about you becoming a lead generation VA, you know how to build the client list of your talents, of your clients, I mean, and to do lead generation for your own business and get your own clients for your own business at the same time. So talagang it's a win-win if you study this. And I will also add the link here in our Notion page, the episodes or the playlist for lead generation. That will really help you a lot, and it's for free. Alright, so if you think this is for you, comment below your lead generation VA. Thank you, and I'll see you guys again on the next episode. Good luck, guys. Bye.